day. That's great. So this is my looks without a beard, and there's a lot of points everybody asks, like what should you do best, like wear a beard or not to wear a beard. It depends, number one, on your chin size. Me, for example, my chin, when I smile, it's fine. Look, it's fine, gets proportional, but when I'm not smiling, when I'm serious, it's a bit small and my nose gets too big. So usually I prefer to wear a beard. As I am a conservative person, like I work in a conservative industry, so I keep my beard short and trimmed, and that's why I have already started to shave my beard, and trim up here and up here, and I will keep it short. Another thing is to make my chin bigger, I leave my beard longer here. So usually you trim it shorter here and leave it a bit longer in this portion. So this is my case. So, but if you do have a big chin, like if my chin would be a bit more pronounced like this, it wouldn't be a bit of a difference, but in my case it is, and that's why I will let it grow. I just made this test. Good things about not wearing a beard, number one is that you look younger. I do almost the same as I was 20 years ago without a beard. And another thing is that you look more trustable, more serious, so you don't need much to explain yourself. Once you have a beard, it's a bit more difficult to care. On the other hand, me as a salesperson, I like the beard because it makes me feel more powerful, more noticeable. So usually I attract more attention when I have the beard, and that's my eyes, they pop up, they seem more beautiful when I wear a beard. But again, I have to keep it very short and trimmed. So it was good. I made this test. Now it's really hot. I'm still here in Argentina. The weather is really hot, so it is much nicer to not wear a beard. And also, I need to do a COVID test maybe 2 weeks from now, and I want it to be negative, so that way one of the things I'm doing not to get COVID is to trim, because no beard, it is safer because the beard catches a lot of germs and viruses and stuff, so it's more clean once you don't have it. So that's my case. Okay, and what's your case? Write there on the comments, like what you prefer, to wear a beard or not wear a beard. In my case, I explained, I prefer to wear a beard, but very conservative, very short, because my chin is not, it's okay, but it's not big enough. If my chin would be a bit bigger, and this too, if I didn't have this, it was I wouldn't, but the beard fixed it, so it gets really nice. So in a couple of weeks I will have it again. Okay, so cheers.